Hi, everybody. So we're looking at President-elect Biden and his plan that he's published under his Joe Biden for President immigration website. One of the biggest plans we're tackling today is the 11 million undocumented workers. All right. So basically what we have is an undocumented population that has been counted and estimated in the range of somewhere from 11, 12 to even up to 15 million people in the United States. Now, Joe Biden has a plan that he's listed on describing what he wants to do, and it basically fits in very neatly with a lot of plans that we have seen over the years. But some of the highlights that are very, very specific for you guys is this. 11 million people essentially who are undocumented. The plan would allow these 11 million people to get a green card, which is called the path to citizenship. The first step is always the green card. After that, they would become citizens. Usually it's a 5-year wait. The path to citizenship would require, number one, tax payments up to date. Now that's a very big deal, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Crime-free background checks under immigration law. There's a list of crimes that make you ineligible. Most likely going to get into that. And finally, be in the United States and otherwise eligible to get a green card. All right. The path to citizenship for the 11 million starts off with being crime-free. Let's start with that. Crime-free is, under immigration laws, there's specific provisions. Crimes involving moral turpitude are one. Others are called petty crimes. Higher crimes are also called aggravated felonies. So we have these different kind of gradients and elevations of crimes that the immigration law has already set out. This path to citizenship will most likely embrace those definitions and will most likely point to disqualification if you have a crime. All right? Now, I know this is crazy, right? Some people are like, look, I don't have a crime. All I have is a DUI. Well, let me put this out there for you guys. State by states, DUIs are different. At this point, we have seen certain programs, for example, TPS, disqualify people if they have 2 DUIs or 2 crimes, even if they're misdemeanors. With the DACA program, we've seen that be so strict that even 1 DUI will disqualify you. So, while immigration law has its own list of crimes, we've seen programs that have come out recently that go even below that and include other crimes like a DUI. If you got a crime on your record, definitely talk to somebody right away. It's something you should have an attorney check out so you can plan for this program. All right, the number 2 big deal is taxes. Now, a lot of programs over the years have come up with the idea that this is a working group of the economy, these people who are these 11 million people. And what they want in the proposal that Biden has included the idea that these individuals need to 100% pay their taxes. So what we've seen is usually a history check going back at tax transcripts to see if they've paid their fair share. What we see also is typically they don't allow the earned income tax credit. It's something that's a little bit odd, and you can talk about that. Biden's plan says that that there are some 4 million people who pay taxes now who are undocumented, and those people have contributed $23 billion to the U.S. economy. All right? So that's a huge number, and Biden's trying to capitalize on that. The last thing that's part of this plan is individuals have to be in the United States, and they have to file an application and register for the process. So that's a detail that we're going to wait on, but if it's anything like what we have seen, it's going to be working with your attorney to collect documents to prove you have been here, okay? The amnesty program way back in '86, you had to get documents. The family unity after that, you had to get documents. And DACA, we literally have clients get documents from almost every month of every year. So this Biden plan has a lot of small parts that have details that kind of connect with immigration professionals, people like us at our offices who've been doing this for so long. And what we would suggest for you guys is, if you think you're going to qualify for any of these programs, you should definitely call an attorney, okay? Because all these details are going to add up, and they're going to be helpful for you being ready for a future program. All right, that's the Biden 11 million undocumented worker plan. Call us. Look forward to talking to you. Bye.